is the Teacher's Guide to Fireflies. All right, two techniques we're going to have in this song, the lift-off and lava keys. We've done lava keys before. It's how you play staccatos with just your fingers, like you're plucking a rubber band on the strings. Now, this song has like a couple of lines, almost the whole first page is very smooth. And you can tell it's smooth because it has that curved line over the notes. That curved line is called a slur. Everything under that curved line is smooth, not staccato. And it's connected together. So you push this down. Don't lift this note till you play the next note. So it's like smooth, like syrup, almost stuck together. But you don't keep holding it down like this. You let go as soon as you play the next one. That's called playing legato or smooth. All right, now the lift off, that's a new technique. At the end of that curved line, we'll see some notes written, and there's a curved line. The very last note, you're going to lift off, and I'll do it from the side. You just lift off by lifting your wrist and pulling your hand off the keys. Now, you can't come like way off the keys because you don't have time. You can't waste any time. You have to get right back to play. So it's just a little, almost like taking a little breath, and you're right back at playing. All right. So it's smooth and it's medium soft. Lift. Lift. Left hand lift. Lift. 1, 2, then lift. 1, 2, 3. That was a long slur or a long phrase. Then you lift at the end. Okay, then we're going to repeat that same pattern. There's no lifts because there's no slurs. This is all staccato, and you play very quiet. So pluck it very softly. See how that is? Okay, then about halfway down on the second page, you do repeated notes, like you'll play 3 Gs and then 3 Ds. And you have to crescendo, get louder. And then it's smooth again. Staccatos. And then it ends on a staccato and a lift. Ooh, both of those at the same time. All right, if you're on a keyboard that doesn't have touch-sensitive keys, don't mess with the controls to go louder or softer. Just push harder and push softer. All right, and if you're on a piano, don't use the pedals to make softer sounds. This is all done with the muscles in your hands. Okay, so now we have smooth legato playing with a lift off at the end, and we have the staccatos, and we have rests we have to watch for, and guess what? This is 3 counts in the measure, so be sure you're only giving it 3 counts.